Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials, identify the iPad model, and installed iOS so you know compatibility limits. Sign into your Apple ID and enable App Store access because authorization is required to download or re-download apps. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and free at least 500 MB of storage. This prevents mid-download failures. Once done, open the App Store and attempt to download the app. If the current version isn't supported, you'll be offered the last compatible version. Accept it to proceed. You now focus on getting the older app installed. Go to Purchased in the App Store or use Family Sharing if the app was bought on another account. This often triggers the prompt to download the last compatible version. If no prompt appears, sign out and back into Apple ID or search the app via direct App Store link. When the App Store blocks installation, use a Mac with Finder or older iTunes to download an IPA tied to your Apple ID and sync it to the iPad, because direct transfer can bypass App Store version checks. Finish by granting permissions in Settings and restoring any app data from iCloud or a local backup so the app functions correctly. Test key features both online and offline to spot dependencies on newer OS features. If the app crashes or won't open, reboot the iPad and try reinstalling. If problems continue, remove and re-download the last compatible version or look for verified lightweight alternatives that support your iOS. A key troubleshooting tip: sign out of Apple ID, reboot, then sign back in. This often fixes App Store and license issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.